I'd say, probably the local Starbucks. Starbucks are everywhere, and I would just go out to somebody and just start talking to people. I think that's the best thing to do.
And how do you approach it? What would your opening line be?
I just, I look at somebody and I try to give them a compliment. If somebody's giving me good service, right? If I'm at a restaurant, somebody's giving me good service, I just compliment them. If somebody's giving me terrible service, I'm not going to recruit them, right? I'm not. That's the last thing I'm going to do. But if I see somebody that I like and I like the way that they're operating, and I see that that they're giving 100% and they're doing a job that might not necessarily be something that's going to get them to where they want to be in life, but in the meantime, they're giving their best at what they're doing. It's going to open up the doors for more opportunities. And I just talk to them and just say, hey, I like what you're doing. I just got lucky. I'm right now working on a project, here, and we've got, we might have something available for if you're the type of person that's open-minded to make more money. And I just ask them, hey, if I could help you make a couple thousand extra a month part-time, is that something that you might be interested in? And just smile. And sure enough, more times than not, if they're the right person, they're going to say yes.